10 Best Places to Visit in Hong Kong Quick Travel Video. Section 1 Victoria Peak, the Skyline Spectacle. Victoria Peak, known locally as the Peak, is the crown jewel of Hong Kong's skyline. This iconic mountain offers a 360-degree view of the city that is nothing short of breathtaking. To reach the summit, take the historic Peak Tram, a ride that's an attraction in itself. As the tram ascends its steep track, you'll marvel at the tilting skyscrapers and lush green hills. Once at the top, head to Sky Terrace 428, the highest viewing platform in Hong Kong, where you can soak in panoramic views of Victoria Harbour, the skyscrapers, and the South China Sea. For those who enjoy nature, the Peak Circle Walk is a scenic 3.5-kilometer trail winding through verdant forests and offering spectacular viewpoints along the way. Feeling peckish? Stop by one of the restaurants at the Peak Galleria for a meal with a view. Pro tip: visit during sunrise or sunset for unforgettable photographs. And if you're a night owl, the sparkling skyline after dark is a sight to behold. Section 2 Temple Street Night Market, a shopper's paradise. Welcome to Temple Street Night Market, the pulsating heart of Hong Kong's street shopping scene. This lively market comes alive after sunset, offering a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and smells. Here you can shop for everything from trendy fashion and quirky gadgets to antiques and traditional Chinese trinkets. The real highlight? The food. Rows of street vendors serve up authentic Cantonese delicacies. Don't leave without trying egg waffles, curry fish balls, and the famously pungent stinky tofu, a local favorite. But there's more to Temple Street than just shopping and eating. Step into one of the fortune-telling stalls for a glimpse into your future, or pause to watch the impromptu Cantonese opera performances that grace the streets. Bargaining is the norm here, so channel your inner negotiator for the best deals. Section 3 Tian Tan Buddha, Serenity Meets Grandeur. On Lantau Island stands one of Hong Kong's most revered landmarks, the Tian Tan Buddha, or Big Buddha. This 34-meter-tall bronze statue is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and spirituality, symbolizing the harmonious relationship between man and nature. The adventure begins with a Gangping 360 cable car ride, where you'll glide over lush green valleys and the shimmering South China Sea. Choose the crystal cabin for a glass-bottom view that's both thrilling and scenic. At the Buddha's base, 268 steps await, leading you to the statue's feet, where sweeping views of the island reward your climb. Nearby, the Palin Monastery invites you to explore its ornate architecture, tranquil courtyards, and vegetarian cuisine. Take time to light incense and reflect in this peaceful setting. Section 4 Disneyland Hong Kong, where dreams come true. Whether you're traveling with kids or indulging your inner child, Hong Kong Disneyland is a destination of endless joy. This park blends classic Disney charm with a touch of Chinese culture, making it a unique experience. Explore Mystic Manor, a one-of-a-kind attraction exclusive to Hong Kong, where mysterious artifacts come to life in a captivating adventure. Thrill-seekers will love the Iron Man experience, Asia's first Marvel-themed ride, and Hyperspace Mountain, a Star Wars twist on the classic roller coaster. Don't miss the seasonal parades and the jaw-dropping nighttime spectacular, where fireworks and music bring Sleeping Beauty Castle to life. And if you're visiting during the Chinese New Year, you'll enjoy special festivities infused with Disney magic. Section 5 Wong Tai Sin Temple, a spiritual retreat. The Wong Tai Sin Temple is not just a place of worship, it's a vibrant cultural hub. Dedicated to Wong Tai Sin, a Taoist deity known for healing and granting wishes, the temple draws locals and tourists alike. Visitors can participate in the ancient practice of Kao Siam, a form of fortune-telling using bamboo sticks. Each stick corresponds to a specific prophecy, providing spiritual insight or guidance. The temple's architecture is stunning, with its bright red pillars, gold accents, and intricate carvings. Nearby, the Good Wish Garden offers a peaceful escape with koi ponds, rock gardens, and pavilions, a perfect spot to meditate or simply enjoy the beauty. Section 6 Lian Garden and Lin Nunnery, a Zen escape. Tucked away in the heart of Kowloon is the peaceful Lian Garden, a beautifully landscaped space that's a tribute to the Tang dynasty. It's an oasis of calm amidst the city's chaos, featuring winding paths, tranquil ponds, and intricately designed pavilions. The garden's carefully manicured trees, bamboo groves, and koi-filled ponds create a zen-like atmosphere. Adjacent to the garden is the Lian Nunnery, a Buddhist temple complex made entirely of wood, no nails involved. The building techniques date back over 1,000 years, making this structure an architectural marvel. Don't miss the chance to visit the vegetarian restaurant within the complex, which serves fresh, delicious meals based on Buddhist culinary traditions. Section 7, Victoria Harbour and Symphony of Lights. Victoria Harbour is Hong Kong's beating heart, offering stunning views of the skyline both day and night. The best way to enjoy the harbour is on the Star Ferry, a nostalgic boat ride that takes you across the water from Central to Tsim Sha Tsui. Every evening, the Symphony of Lights transforms the skyline into a vibrant spectacle, where over 40 buildings light up in a synchronized show of lights, lasers, and music. For an even closer view, take a harbor cruise at night to witness the illuminated skyscrapers and enjoy the dazzling show from the water. Section 8, Repulse Bay, Relaxation Redefined. Repulse Bay is one of Hong Kong's most beautiful and tranquil beaches, offering soft, golden sands and clear blue waters. It's a perfect spot to unwind after a day of sightseeing, whether you're swimming, sunbathing, or enjoying a stroll along the shoreline. The nearby Tian Tan Temple, dedicated to the goddess of the sea, adds a touch of cultural heritage to the beach experience. If you're in the mood for some upscale dining, there are several beachfront restaurants serving fresh seafood and local delicacies, where you can enjoy a meal with a view of the ocean. Section 9, Tai O Fishing Village, a glimpse of old Hong Kong. Step back in time at Tai O Fishing Village, one of the last remaining stilt villages in Hong Kong. Located on Lian Island, Tai O offers a glimpse into the past, where traditional fishing methods are still in practice. The narrow streets are lined with shops selling dried seafood, and you can explore the rustic wooden stilt houses built along the waterways. One of the best ways to experience Tai O is by taking a boat tour, where you'll glide past the stilt houses, spot local wildlife like pink dolphins, and enjoy views of the serene coastline. Tai O is a charming destination that combines culture, history, and natural beauty. Section 10, M+ Museum, a cultural revolution. For art enthusiasts, M+ Museum in the West Kowloon Cultural District is a must-visit. This modern museum is dedicated to visual culture, with collections ranging from contemporary art and design to architecture and moving images. With its futuristic architecture and thought-provoking exhibits, M+ is an exciting cultural hub that attracts artists, collectors, and tourists from around the world. Make sure to explore the outdoor space as well, where large-scale sculptures are displayed. Whether you're a lover of art or simply curious about modern culture, M+ offers something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more travel tips. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our future adventures. Let us know in the comments your favorite destination in Hong Kong or any tips you have. We'd love to hear from you.